Hi boys and girls, today in our ICT lesson we are going to be having a look at secure websites. So we're looking at to understand what a secure website is and to know what is safe to put online. Our aim, we can identify secure websites by identifying privacy seals of approval. Right, tell me about yourself. If someone you didn't know online asked you these questions before you bought something or used something, would you answer them? Each question on a piece of paper, could you put yes if you would answer them or no if you wouldn't? What is your full address? What is your date of birth? Can I have your parents' bank details? What's your phone number and email address? What do you do online? So, underneath that, could you list the different types of websites you access? And once you've done that, can you put them underneath these headings, whether you access them by yourself, with an adult at home or at school? Do that for me now. Okay, so let's have a look at the types of websites you might access by yourself. You might access social media websites, video streaming, online games, and homework research. With an adult at home, you might access shopping websites, and you also might access homework research. You might want to do it with an adult. You also might access some social media websites. Make sure an adult is looking over what you are doing. And at school, you access research websites and design websites like we do in ICT, coding, things like that. Right, once you've done that, could you take a picture of that activity and could you send it over to your teacher? Right, what are you telling people online? Think about the websites you've just listed. What kind of information do you need to give to them when you are signed up or you need to access them? So, what might you need for social media, online shopping, gaming, research? Would you need your full name? Would you need your address, your birthday? Would you need an adult's bank details? Which kind of website might you need for that? School, email address, phone number. What we're going to look at today is identifying how we know if the site is safe. So, how do you think you know? Write it down. How do you know that the website is safe? If you don't, just put I don't know. Then I want you to think about what you think could happen if you gave those details to an unsecure or even fraudulent website. Remember, fraud means someone pretending either to be you to access your money or your bank account. That is fraud. Write down what do you think could happen and then take a picture and send that to your teacher. Right, what I'd like you to do, in the links page for today, you will find these two video links for ICT. Could you watch them and then could you carry on with this video? Right, how can you tell a site is secure? If a site is secure, it means that any information you put on it is safe. It can't be seen or accessed by anyone else. There are some simple clues you can look for to tell if a website is safe. First off, looking at the address bar. Does it read HTTP or HTTPS at the beginning? The S stands for secure, so we're looking for the HTTPS because the S stands for secure. Here, can you see it's just got HTTP? That means it's unsecure, it's not secure. So any details you put on there can be accessed by different people. Look in the address bar. Some browsers will show also a padlock symbol. that shows the website is secure, and the address bar might show up green for a secure website. So as you can see, our Twinkl website here is secure. There are so many logos used to show that a website is also secure. Ask an adult if you're not sure which logos are real. So here are some. We've got McAfee secure. We've got PayPal verified. PayPal is another way of paying for things online. If it's verified, it means it's secure. And we have got VeriSign. But remember, anyone can copy and paste a logo to make it look like the real thing. So it's always very important you're going back to that address bar. Lots of websites will also have a privacy policy. You'll usually find these at the bottom of the page. Can you see it here? These are legal documents which tell you how your information is used. If you're ever worried about a site that might not look secure, an adult will help you find out by looking at this document. So, what are the clues on this web page that tell you it's safe to put your details in? Write them down and then take a picture. Okay, let's have a look. Let's go through. So our main clue is our address bar has got HTTPS in it, and it's also got a padlock on it to show it's secure, and it's green. We have also got a logo here. We've got a VeriSign logo. The fact that it's got a safe padlock and that VeriSign logo means that it's secure. If it didn't have a padlock or a green address bar and it just had HTTP in it, but it had that VeriSign, it wouldn't be secure, would it? Because remember what we said about copy and pasting. Padlock icon, HTTP address, secure logo. Right, am I safe? So, on the next slide, you are going to see two websites given to you. I want you to look around the pages for the clues, and I'd like you to write down the first website and explain to me why it's secure or it's not secure, and do that for the second as well. Once you've done that, take a picture, send it to your teacher. Right, let's have a look at this first website. Is it safe? Explain why. Pause the video now and then we will go through the answer. Okay, one of the main reasons why I feel that this is safe is our padlock symbol up here on our address bar. We have also got privacy policy down here, and we use this website in school. We use it as a search engine in school. Okay, have a look at this message. Is it safe? Explain why. Pause the video and then let's have a look. Okay, is this message safe? It tells me that my connection is not private and we have a padlock with an X through it. It also gives me a warning that attackers might be trying to steal your information. For example, passwords, messages or credit cards. It's asking me now, it's not giving me an option to go onto the website, it's telling me to go back to safety. So this is telling me that the website is not secure. Okay. We're going to leave it there. Well done. Take a picture of your learning and send it back to your teacher.